Hey guys, Tony here. So quick heads up, it does look like GMED is actually a huge stock being talked about right now on Reddit. So I do think GMED is probably going to pop this week. I think last time I saw it, it was sitting at like 66 bucks. But I do think WallStreetBets is going to pump GMED this coming week. And I think it's probably going to hit at least $70. So I'm probably buying calls on GMED Monday morning and then probably about a month out and just writing it out and seeing what happens. But it does look like GMED is going to be sort of pumping, which is actually pretty insane. And also, you guys can see GME and AMC are the most talked about stocks on basically Reddit. And then GMED, PLTR, WWE. Not really sure why WWE is being talked about so much right now. But as far as what I think is actually pumping, it's going to be GMED. Take my word for that. I do think it's going to rise up pretty heavily this week in the market.